So over here you can see that I have a model, but let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and then view everything from the top as if I'm looking at a floor plan view. So to do that, you can simply go around over here onto camera, then go to standard views and then choose, let's say for example, top right here, then you see top to bottom. But you can see that this is still perspective. So in order to change it into a 2D view so that it projects a floor plan, you can go around over here onto camera and then choose parallel projection. So once you do that, what happens is that you get a 2D view around over here. So now what you can actually do is, let's say for example, let me just go ahead onto the top view itself. So let's just go around over here and then go around over here onto top. So now what you can actually do is you can go ahead and start drawing things. Let's say for example, you can go ahead and draw out shapes right here. You can draw out the floors as you want. You can go ahead and, let's say for example, use pencil right here, just like this, to create out a floor flat designs as you want. So now you can go ahead and get back to the view. So let's just go ahead back onto perspective. You can actually see the perspective now, and then you can simply go ahead and rotate out the camera, and then you can go ahead and start adding the details now on these particular planes right here, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and use the top floor plan view as you want inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.